Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Explorers channel.
I hope everyone are doing good, and in today's video we are going to continue with the data table connector methods. So in the past few videos I have explained different connector method, like right from how you can add your columns, get tables, set tables, filters, and so many things. And now I'll be continuing on that series, and also this is going to be an use case as well. So first let's understand the use case. So I have this Excel, and in from the sheet, which is new one, I want to check whether a particular string appears in the whole Excel or not. If it appears, I just want to get the entire row of it. For example, I want to search if this Laura appears on the whole Excel. If so, I want to get the complete row where the Laura is present. So I want to get this complete row. Okay, this is the use case. So let's see how you can achieve this. Okay, if you watch my previous video, you will be knowing that the first method to use any other data table connector method is this load from Excel, where you have to provide your Excel. Okay, now let me provide this Excel. Okay, and now let's change the sheet name to new one. So using sheet, I'm just making the query as false. If you are using any query on the Excel, just set the value to be true and then provide your query here. Okay, so now first method is done, and second is to use the other method from data connector. So I have already added my data table connector, which is data table model. So first step is to do that and then use this load from Excel method. Okay, so after I load it, I want to just find the specific text, right? So filter with find. So you have find text. Let's take this. It has one input parameter, which is search text. Here I want to search, maybe let's take this, just see, and that value you have to provide here. And then next is start position. So if you want to start from any specific row, so 0 indicate it starts from the first row. So I'm just leaving with the default value, and then you have this match step, whether you want to match with a specific exact match. So in my case, I want to exactly match with this word Jesse, then I'm going with this. So if you want to match case like the capital and lower and upper case, then you can go with this. If you want to specifically filter any specific word on that given Excel, then use this contents. Okay, let's go with the exact match. I run this now. Okay, so okay, this is completed, so it should give us the same cell value, which is just C. So now we have the expected value, and then you have row index. Let's preview it. Okay, it is 0, and then row index, it is again 0. The first, just see what we have on the first row and in the first column. So the 0, which is expected output, and this is also correct. And also you have one more Jesse, which is at the 6th row. So it should be on the 6th row and on the first column. But this find text will give you the first find on the given Excel. Okay, let's try to change the start position. Maybe we'll try to change it to 1. So from the first row, if we are searching, we have on the 5th row, right? So let's see, it should be 5th row and first column. Just see, and this should be, yes, this is on the 5th row. So it is giving you the 5th row, and then the column is the 0, which is your first column. So considering this as your first row, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So this is the expected output. So when you have so many value with the same find text, it will give you the result of the first find text. Okay, now this is good. Let's try to filter with some other data, maybe Laura, and let's switch to 0. Okay, this is completed. So we should get the row as 9, and this is from the row 0. This is also expected. Let's randomly try to filter this email ID. This time it should be on the column 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let's see if we are getting the column as 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the 5th column, and let's see the row index 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is also expected output. So now so with the help of this, let's see how you can get the entire row value. Again go to this and let's filter with get. So I have so many options to do it. Let's take this get row data. So this basically requires a row index. As we are concentrating to get the row data, let's give the complete row. Okay, let's run this and this should give us the list of the row, entire row. So you'll be able to see the row value. So now that we have given that email ID, so based on that email it has fetched the entire row which is from start. So yes, this is also the expected output. So once you get that value, either you can do other options, right? Write this value into a different Excel, or you can set the value and then you can do certain actions accordingly. After you get it, if you want to replace any of your email ID or any of your row, you can replace it and you can again set your row data. So after you set it, at the end make sure that you use some Excel methods or data writer component method to write back to the Excel. So this is how this simple concept work. And also if required, make sure that you also use this. So now that we have passed all the filter which was actually existing in the Excel, now let's randomly give something which should not be present in the Excel. So I'll randomly give some string and let's see what's the result. Okay, just leave this method. Let's concentrate on this. So this should be null, as the specific text which is not present in the Excel, so it is giving us the null value, and this should also be the null value. So yes, -1, it means that it is not present in the Excel, and this should be also -1. So if you are trying to find something on that text, and based on the row index or cell value, make a decision and then validate if it is null or -1, and then set the value or get the row accordingly. So this is a simple use case to see how you can find any text on the given Excel and get the complete row based on that. I hope you guys find this video useful. In case, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel to like this video to reach more people, and thanks so much for watching this video till the end.